1, 2, 3.
Keep it calm. Keep it chill.
Maybe I'm the worst actor of the whole world.
It's showtime, baby.
Come on. They say it's just a game.
They say 90 minutes.
Can't change the world.
They say it's only about the winners.
They say only the players matter.
I'm really excited.
1, 2, 3.
This is mind-blowing to me.
Dicen que la historia se repite.
But they're wrong.
You're going nowhere!
Okay, why don't we take a photo?
Where he dove and did this.
We are one cheer.
I'm gonna probably break out one of these.
One crowd. One heartbeat.
If they just pass like this, that's too basic. You know, bring it here, okay, here.
Man, just watching this game is giving me chill.
It's all of us.
Together. Together.
Juntos.
This is a walkout. Give everything.
The greatest show
There's ever been.
Copa Mundial de la FIFA.
2026.
together.
You're gonna have the best time.
Juntos. Un torneo.
One world.
And just remember, it's football, not soccer.